Hey there, curious minds. Daniel here. Today, we're diving into the wonderfully weird world of animals. From creatures that glow in the dark to those that have superpowers straight out of a comic book, these facts will blow your mind. So, grab a snack, sit back, and let's get started with some of the most unusual animal facts you've never heard of. Fact 1. The immortal jellyfish. Did you know there's a jellyfish that can essentially live forever? The Turritopsis dohrnii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, has the extraordinary ability to revert back to its juvenile form after reaching adulthood. This process can repeat indefinitely, making this jellyfish biologically immortal. Imagine if humans had that power. This tiny creature, only about 4.5 millimeters in diameter, defies the natural aging process and has become a subject of fascination for scientists. It's a testament to the mysteries of the ocean and how much we still have to learn about life underwater. Fact 2. The sneezing iguana. In the Galapagos Islands, there's a type of iguana that sneezes a lot, but not because it has a cold. The marine iguana expels excess salt from its body through sneezing. This unique adaptation helps it survive in a harsh, saline environment. Next time you sneeze, just be glad it's not salty. These iguanas are the only lizards that venture into the ocean, feeding on algae and seaweed. Their ability to swim and dive up to 30 feet underwater is as impressive as their sneezing fits. Fact 3. The mantis shrimp super punch. Meet the mantis shrimp, a small but mighty sea creature. Its punch is so powerful that it can break glass aquarium walls and crack open crab shells with ease. This punch accelerates faster than a bullet, making the mantis shrimp one of the most formidable hunters in the ocean. Talk about packing a punch. The mantis shrimp's club-like appendages strike with the force of a .22 caliber bullet, and they move so quickly that they create cavitation bubbles, which implode with tremendous energy. This secondary strike is just as deadly as the first. Fact 4. The smelly Watson bird. In the Amazon rainforest, you can find the Watson bird, also known as the stink bird. Why the nickname? Because it smells like manure. This odor comes from its unique digestive system, which ferments the leaves it eats, similar to how cows digest their food. Nature's very own stinky but fascinating bird. The Watson's chicks also have claws on their wings, which they use to climb trees before they can fly. This primitive feature is reminiscent of the ancient Archaeopteryx, offering a glimpse into the evolutionary past of birds. Fact 5. The mimic octopus. The mimic octopus is a master of disguise. It can change its color, shape, and behavior to imitate other marine animals like lionfish, flatfish, and even sea snakes. This incredible ability helps it evade predators and surprise prey. It's the ultimate underwater shapeshifter. The mimic octopus can perform these transformations by controlling specialized pigment cells called chromatophores in its skin. By expanding and contracting these cells, it changes color and pattern in an instant. This, combined with its flexible body, allows it to impersonate multiple species convincingly. Fact 6. The singing mice. Last but not least, let's talk about singing mice. Yes, you heard that right. The Alston's singing mouse from Central America can produce high-pitched melodic sounds. These vocalizations are used to communicate and establish territory. Who knew mice could be such talented singers? These songs are complex and unique to each mouse, much like bird songs. Researchers studied these vocalizations to understand more about communication and social behavior in mammals. The ability to sing is also a way for these mice to attract mates, showcasing their fitness and genetic quality. Fact 7. The luminous deep-sea creatures. Many deep-sea creatures have developed bioluminescence, the ability to produce light. For instance, the anglerfish uses a lighted lure on its head to attract prey in the pitch-black depths of the ocean. This eerie glow is produced by bacteria living in the fish's lure. The light not only attracts prey, but also potential mates. Bioluminescence is a widespread phenomenon in the ocean, with various species, including jellyfish, squid, and plankton, using it for communication, camouflage, and hunting. Fact 8. The axolotl's regenerative powers. The axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, has remarkable regenerative abilities. Unlike most animals, axolotls can regrow entire limbs, spinal cords, hearts, and even parts of their brains without any scarring. This has made them a subject of extensive scientific research, with hopes that understanding their regenerative process could lead to breakthroughs in human medicine. Axolotls retain their larval features throughout their life, a condition known as neoteny, which contributes to their unique appearance and extraordinary regenerative capabilities. Fact 9. The leafcutter ant's farming skills. Leafcutter ants are impressive farmers. They cut leaves and bring them back to their nests, not to eat, but to use as a substrate for growing fungus, which is their primary food source. These ants have developed a sophisticated agricultural system that rivals human farming in complexity. They cultivate the fungus in their underground colonies, and each colony can house millions of ants, all working together in a highly organized social structure. Fact 10. The dancing spiders. Some spiders, like the peacock spider, perform intricate dance routines to attract mates. These tiny arachnids, often just a few millimeters in size, display vibrant colors and dance in a way that's reminiscent of a peacock spreading its feathers. The male's dance is a complex series of movements involving leg waves, body shakes, and vibrational signals to communicate with the female. If the female is impressed, she'll allow the male to mate. If not, he might become her next meal. And there you have it, bizarre animal facts that show just how wonderfully weird the natural world can be. If you enjoyed this deep dive into animal oddities, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to everything that could be. Stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. This is Daniel, signing off.